Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video, I am back with another refreshing drink for the summer. And this time it's actually a berry lemonade, sparkling lemonade. This is actually a recipe from the 99. They sent out an email blast, and I decided to give this one a try. I know a lot of you have been enjoying my summer drinks that I've been making, including my hibiscus as well as tamarind drinks. So I decided to add one that's a little more Americanized and everyone can find at their local stores. So let's jump right into it and get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is make our simple syrup, which is really easy to make. Just throw in a cup of water as well as about a cup of sugar. But don't worry, I will be including all the measurements in the video description. So we're going to be making our simple syrup now and then prep the rest of the items. All right, let's get chopping. The first thing we're going to do is cut up our lemons to make the wheels. This is what's going to be thrown into the mix of the berry lemonade, and we are also going to be squeezing some lemon juice in through the mix as well. So again, I will be including the measurements down below. And let's check in on the water. It looks like it's boiling perfectly already. So I'm going to be taking it off the heat. I'm going to turn off the heat now that it's boiling. And I'm also be adding in a sprig of mint. While it's turned off, I'm going to move it from the heat and add that in. And we're going to take it off at the end. And let's continue chopping. And this is probably one of the easiest drinks you'll ever make. It is very refreshing, very delicious, and it's a great substitute for soda. So if you are looking to lose a little weight this summertime, I would highly recommend this sparkling berry lemonade. So now that your simple syrup has cooled down, you want to add it into your water bottle, your pitcher, whatever you may be using, and then also add in your cup of lemon juice. And at this point, you're going to be adding in all of different ingredients, including your lemon wheels and all of your different fruits. And one thing to note is I did have to substitute the blueberries for blackberries because I did not have them in store, but it's really what you prefer. So again, this is the pretty simple part. One thing to note is that I did forget to stir the fruit with the simple syrup. That was one of the pieces of instructions, so don't forget to do that. But at this point, I'm just adding in all of my different berries because I am going to be drinking out of this. I'm just going to include the mint in here as well. So I'm just going to mix it all in and make it like a nice little mojito. So just kind of adding in a little more. And then lastly, you are going to be adding, filling this up with ice. And that's really going to be pretty much the last part before you add in your soda. So you want to fill this to the top with ice. I think it's pretty full. And then, yeah, you just add in your cold sparkling water and go from there. All right, just going to pour this in. We're at the final stretch here. I'm so excited to give this one a try, you guys. It is very refreshing. So now just pop in our straw, give it a nice little gentle stir, and it's pretty much ready to go. So just going to shake things around a little bit. You want to make sure that everything kind of just moves up to the top of the glass. And there you have it. This drink is super delicious, and as you guys can see, it is very easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be posting more delicious drinks as well as summer dishes as well. So I'm really excited. So if you guys are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great evening, and I will see you on the next one.